Hi, this is Mami Konyak, Village Development Board Secretary of Wangti Village. I also would like to introduce myself as the first female VTV Secretary from Mon District of Nagaland, India. I belong to the Konyak community from the village known as Wangti, which is also located in the eastern part of Nagaland, bordering to Myanmar. I take this privilege to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Ministry of Panchayat Raj and the Minister of Defense for giving me this opportunity by inviting me as the special guest on the auspicious day of Indian independence. I would also like to thank to the Department of RD Nagaland for nominating me as the women's representative to represent Nagaland. As we are celebrating the 78th anniversary of our nations, let us remember our brave heroes who laid down their life for our nations so that we could live as we are today. So wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.